Is to stay active, to maintain your health, particularly as you age. Joining us today is Deb Kaplan-Lewis from UnitedHealthcare to discuss just that. Deb, welcome back. Nice to have you here. So what are some simple changes?
Yeah, so, at UnitedHealthcare, we're really focused on helping people achieve a healthy lifestyle. And one of the things I really want to talk about is what we're learning in terms of the correlation between physical activity and mental health and well-being. So studies are actually showing today that being active, moderate activity, can stimulate those portions of the brain that are associated with memory and learning. And in fact, those same portions of the brain can actually delay or help fight pre-Alzheimer's changes that occur in the brain. So clearly physical activity can impact both body and mind, and there are four really important things that also exercise brings. So the first is it improves balance, which can mitigate the chance of falls. It can delay or prevent the onset of chronic disease like heart disease and osteoporosis. It can elevate one's mood. We all feel good coming out of the gym, right? And thereby mitigate the risk of depression. And perhaps one of the most important things, it can increase strength and endurance and help individuals to live independently, which is what we all want as we age.
And people can use their Medicare coverage to accomplish this.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, one of the most important things is to understand what all of the benefits are that you have within your Medicare plan. So within UnitedHealthcare, we have a fabulous benefit called Renew Active, which again combines mind and body together. Individuals have free access to a gym membership.
It's huge, right?
Many national and local gyms, including Health Tracks and Curves and LA Fitness and Planet Fitness and many, many more Ys. And equally important, Renew Active offers online brain activities and exercises that can stimulate the brain. So again, mind and body. And one more important thing in terms of Medicare, anyone that has Medicare should really take advantage of their annual wellness visits. See your doctor every year.
Right, it's not going to cost anything.
It's not going to cost anything. Take advantage of all of those preventative cancer screenings because it's far better to identify something early before it becomes more serious.
Right, and people living on a fixed income, every dollar counts. Can a healthy lifestyle also have financial benefits?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I just spoke about Renew Active. So that's a free gym membership. Somebody doesn't have to take out of their pocket. There are lots of other ways that individuals can save money with their Medicare Advantage. Again, it's understanding what are the benefits and services. But we have discounts on hearing aids. We have discounts on eyeglasses. There are many, many discounts to be had. But it's, again, understand what your Medicare Advantage plan offers.
Very good. And lastly, where can we find some additional resources?
Yeah. So lots of additional sources of information. You can, for UnitedHealthcare, go online, AdvantageUHC.com. Very simple. If you don't have UnitedHealthcare, use your insurance card. Look in the back. There's always a phone number there. You can pick up the phone and call and inquire about what additional health and wellness benefits are available to me through my health plan. And, last but not least, you can always consult with your doctor. When you see your doctor on an annual basis, you can talk to him or her about what are the best types of activities for your particular situation.
Makes sense. Deb, you're a wealth of knowledge. Thank you for being here and sharing with our viewers. And, of course, you could log on to AdvantageUHC.com for more info.